Hey guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great. So guys, today I am going to review this flat top kabuki brush from PAK. This one is a PAK 265 brush. So guys, if you want to see the review, then please continue watching. So guys, before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, or if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red colored subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you will always get a notification whenever I am going to upload any of my future videos. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, today's video is all about this flat top kabuki brush from PAK. The brush number is PAK 265. It is made up of with synthetic bristles. This is a round flat top kabuki brush and the bristles are so densely packed and it gives an airbrush kind of a finish after the application of foundation or powder. The foundation can be a liquid foundation, cream foundation or powder foundation, and you can also apply the blush and you can just press it from here and you can use this as a contour brush also for your cheeks and for your chin, for your forehead area. Obviously you cannot use this for the nose area. I'm using this PAK 265 brush and this foundation. This is a Maybelline New York 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. It just completely changes the makeup game. Your foundation application looks much more smooth after this brush. This is a PAK 265 brush and I am using this powder blush. Now as you can see that the blush is looking much more natural using this flat top kabuki brush, as this gives an airbrush look for the foundation too and for the blush too. You can just press this brush from here and you can use this as a contour brush also. I have used this as a foundation brush, then blush brush, and now I am going to use this as a contour brush. This contour shade from the palette. This is a little bit shimmery. As you can see that the contour is also looking much more natural. So guys, the bristles are synthetic. That's what I really like about this brush. And I was searching for a flat top kabuki brush for the powder foundation application, and as soon as I saw this, I just picked this up. The brush feels so gentle and comfortable on the skin, and there will be no wastage of product while using this brush. Most of the PAK brushes comes with the zip pouch, and this one also comes with a zip pouch, and which makes it ideal for the traveling purpose. No shedding of bristles after so many washes. I have washed this almost 10 to 12 times and there is no shedding of bristles at all. The price of this brush is rupees 495 and now the price has been hiked a little bit, and now the current price is rupees 535, and the PAK doesn't give any discounts as far as I know. The PAK products are only available online. As a foundation applicator, as a blush applicator or as a contour applicator, you can use this brush. So this is a versatile kind of a brush, or this is a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for the contouring, for the blush or for the foundation application, whatever you want. So guys, this is a PAK 265 brush, and if you want to invest in good brushes, then you should invest in this brush and you will not regret guys. The bristles of this brush are also synthetic. So guys, that was the today's video about this PAK foundation application brush, that is PAK 265. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.